Hey guys, Fire Shadow here. I'm just gonna make a quick video. I've been playing some Call of Duty lately. Okay, I looked this up on Google and YouTube, and I am really trying to get that prestige. I'm at level 65 Commander on Call of Duty World at War. I have all my XP. I don't need any more prestige. All I just need to do is get a prestige in the barracks and more info, and then enter prestige. But I'm fucking struggling. Like, what do you guys think I should do? I don't want to say 65 all the time because really you're not done until you hit 10 prestige. And once you hit 10 prestige and all the way up, that's when you don't really want to play anymore. But I mean, I have one game, permanent game, which is Call of Duty World War. I have GameFly for Infamous 2, and I should be having Battlefield 3 coming within like the next 2 days. But the thing is, Battlefield 3 is not like Call of Duty. I mean, the controls are kind of scratchy, and I don't really like Battlefield 2. I didn't really like that game at all. I mean, it was fun, but the thing was the controls were so fucking weird. Like, it's like Call of Duty, but it's not like loose as Call of Duty is. And I don't want to spend. I don't. I don't know what I should do because I mean, there's that inner voice saying, man, prestige. I've been wanting since level 20 to get to level 65, and now I'm the highest level in the game. I'm gonna trade all that in for a bit of prestige, which means that all the weapons I unlocked, all the flamethrower I haven't used that once, and you know, there's no point even doing the challenges because once you have all the experience, 153,900 experience, then there's really no point in doing the challenges because you won't get shit for it. There's no point. But I've looked over all the challenges, I've looked over everything, and I mean, I still want the prestige so bad, but I don't know what I should do. I mean, is it worth trading in all of that for prestige? Is it even worth going to 65 again? I mean, the first 10 levels are going to just zoom by. I mean, once you get in like the 40s and 50s, that's when it starts getting really tough. But I had, I had no problem getting 65. It's just that we have to do it all over again, and I don't know. I mean, can you guys like leave me a comment? Should I prestige? Should I not prestige? Could I, get a little bit of info, a little bit of tips? Should I, enter prestige? Is it even worth going 65 10 more times? I know every prestige icon's different, but 10th prestige is like a little flower thing, and it looks kind of cool. But first prestige is like a fucking badge. It doesn't even look cool. I mean, it's a star with a badge on it, and I don't know. I mean, I've asked 20 people on Facebook. I've all got replies within the next like 2 days, or the past 2 days, and they've all said it's worth it because real gamers prestige. They don't sit 65 and fucking just be a level camper. I mean, I've been 65 for 2 days now, and I don't know what to do. I mean, I've turned on my PS3, went to barracks, and just press, and right before it says enter prestige, I back out. I mean, because I don't want to lose all that, but the thing is, I don't want to sit 65. I mean, you guys are gonna say if you don't want to do that, then don't prestige. If you want to prestige, then do it. Like, there's no point of you probably making the video. I don't care. I just need some input. If you guys will please help me out, I'll appreciate it. But other than that, I don't know what to do. If you guys have had experience prestiging, was it easy? Was it hard? What's the best way to level up? Because team deathmatch is not getting me nowhere. I mean, it's getting me fucking maybe max if I can do like a 30-6 game, maybe 700 XP. Like I know Search and Destroy like 1,000 in like 4 games you're ranked up. There's just no point of playing 20 games of team deathmatch for one level. So if you guys can please help me out, I appreciate it. If you guys can comment, rate, and subscribe if you guys want to, I'd also appreciate it. Thank you.